we have multiplication of polynomials. First we have to check what we have here in the brackets. We have m plus y to the second power. And what else? We have negative sign before mn. So first we have to do the power. So the rest we will rewrite. We have 2 and m plus y to second power. We will use square of some formula. Let me remind you this. When we have a plus b to second power, this is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. In our example, a is equal m and b is equal y. So we will have 2 and in parentheses we will have m square plus, next we have 2 times m and y, the same, I just used this formula, and next we have b square, so will be y square. And close parentheses. Next we have negative sign before this whole expression. It means we have to change every sign in parentheses to opposites. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So now will be negative m plus 3, close brackets. So this is equal. Next, we have to do multiplication. First expression in the parentheses, we have to multiply times 2. And we don't have brackets because we don't have any operation after or before the brackets, so we don't need this bracket. So we have 2 times m square plus 2 times 2my, and we have 2 times y square, and we have minus m minus n plus 3. So this is equal. Now we have to do multiplication. 2 times m square is 2m square. 2 times 2, so will be 4, and my we have to rewrite. And the rest we have to copy. We don't have the like terms, so this is my solution.